Hi, my name is Diana May Mendoza from 1C BS Asia. This is a project on peace study. These are some questions we need to answer about General Luna movie. Number 1. What was your favorite line from the movie and why? My favorite line is, negosyo o kalayaan, bayan o sarili, pumili ka. And why?
Kapag nakapaglaban kami, babagsak ang ekonomiya. Paano namin mapapakain ang aming mga pamilya?
Negosyo o kalayaan, bayan o sarili, pumili ka!
Why? I like this line because General Luna made people understand the importance of freedom and the people rather than his own businesses, which is only for his benefit set in front of the official. Number 2. Who do you believe the real enemy in the film and why? For me, the enemy in the film is the American, but not only them, but also fellow Filipinos who side with the enemies. We are also the ones who are fighting fellow Filipinos because of the disagreement. Number 3. How did the conflict begin among the officials? This started because of the release of Marcelo and other officials who side with the Americans. Because General Luna did not agree with that, and here the other officials united to remove General Luna because they don't want General Luna leadership. Number 4. If you were the Philippine president during American colonization, what action would you take and why? If I become president, I will implement to fight the Philippines against the American because of the oppressions of us Filipinos. They make us slave, so we will not have a freedom. During American era, we have to fight for freedom. What learnings did you gain from watching the movie? Ang natutunan ko sa movie na yon is maging matapang tayo. Huwag tayong maging duwag. Unang-una yon, and dapat pinaglalaban natin ang sarili nating bansa. Hindi dapat natin pinapabayaan o wag nating pabayaan na sakupin lang tayo ng mga Americans or iba pa. Dahil ang ating bansa ay dapat ay pansarili natin. Wag natin ipangkin sa iba. And dapat nagkakaisa tayo. Hindi dapat tayo nag-aaway-away o nagdedebate dahil lamang sa walang kwentang bagay. Kundi dapat ipaglaban natin ang ating bansa, hindi lamang sa pangsarili natin, kundi para sa ating bansang kinakatayuan. Yan ang aking natutunan kay General Luna, kasi hindi siya duwag na tao, kundi napaka matapang niya and pinaglalaban niya ang ating bansa. Hindi siya katulad ng ibang opisyal na tinatakasan ang dapat responsibilidad nila bilang isang sundalo at opisyal.